Hey lovelies, welcome to Maggie's Home Cooking. In this video, I'll be making what I call the Mary Berry fruit juice. It's rich in vitamins, it helps build your immune system, and it is very, very nutritious. For this juice, I'll be using some kiwi and some strawberries, some grapes. I also have some mint here. I'll be infusing the mint into the fruits, so I'll just start by preparing the fruits. This is my kiwi. I'll cut it open. Using a spoon, I would scoop out the kiwi. Do this for all the kiwis I have. So guys, let me tell you about kiwi. Kiwi is one nutritious fruit. It is rich in vitamin C. It is rich in vitamin B9. It is an antioxidant. It's rich in potassium as well. So if you don't want to do it with a spoon, you could just use a knife. Cut off this part. We'll go ahead to cut our strawberries. That's how you prep them. You just cut off this part. For easy blending, you could cut it into two. So how the inside looks. As we were saying, strawberry is one fruit that is so rich in vitamins. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium. It's also an antioxidant. For our grapes, we won't be using the stem, so we'll just pluck it off from the stem like this. All these fruits are very, very nutritious. We all need to have this in our system. So we won't be using much of the mint. We just need a few mint leaves for this juice. The fruits are processed. This is how they look. They're all well chopped, looking good. So it's time to juice them. I'll start by putting my kiwi into the juicer. So to infuse the mint, this is what I've been doing. Just put the mint in between the strawberries and slide it into the juicer. That's how it juices. So that helps, enables us to infuse the mint. Guess what, lovelies? Our berry juice is ready.
Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section, and please like and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell for notifications on our future videos. Thank you and bye for now.